Hello and welcome. What a beautiful day here in Albuquerque. I'm heading towards the Bosque, try to walk through and look for some golden, beautiful leaves before it's too late. Now I stopped here first off of a road called Coors Boulevard, and there's just this gorgeous view of the mountains and just the top of the trees of the Bosque. But it looks like I'm going to hike quite a ways to get that view. So I'm going to do that first. Then we're going to head down to a good place to walk the Bosque. And it should be a very pretty, fun day. Join me. Let's go. Well, my goal was to get up to about there where you see those buildings. But I really didn't want to walk around the corner there into that cold, noisy traffic. I was hoping maybe I could cut across this field and get up there to those dirt mounds. I don't know. Never been here before, but I've been wanting to get this view for the longest time. It's fenced off right here. Probably had too many people going there. But maybe we can see it here now. Unfortunately, it's going to be into the sun. So you can imagine beautiful later in the evening before it gets dark. But this might be pretty good. Plus, it's a little closer than going up on the hill. Oh, yeah, unfortunately, maybe I can brighten it up, but isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, it's much closer. Pretty good shot of the mountains there, though. Nice and peaceful, crisp morning. Okay, I was going to go to a familiar place, but while I'm right here, I'm going to see if I can sneak past this school here. I think I've walked past it before, but I've never entered from this section, so yeah, something a little new. Whew, that was quite a walk. Get down here to the school. Bosque School. I'm not sure if this is some kind of charter or a private school. I'm hoping to cut through here somehow and get over to the Bosque. Wow, excellent tile work there. Beautiful. Some great tile work in here too. Just lovely. Beautiful little park right here. Nice and soppy, wet, muddy. I'm hoping to get through to the Bosque from here. Somehow, I think you probably have to go over a canal. Wow, is it nice in here? Still some snow back here. Some remnants of snow. Here's a wagon full of some goodies here. Looks like they threw all their pumpkins in a wagon there. Very cute. And here's some more tile work. Very pretty. Does anybody know what this is? Is this some kind of composter or something? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, those leaves are gorgeous. Some are still green, some have died. Can't decide what it wants to do. Okay, I think we made it. Well, we have to get across this canal to walk through the woods there. Whoa, it's very, very quicksandy. Any fish? Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Hopefully, if we walk this way, we can find a way over the canal to walk through the woods there. Now, it's interesting to note here, and I may have mentioned this before, but believe it or not, this is a world record, the Bosque, all up and down the state and more. It is the largest cottonwood forest in the state? No. Largest cottonwood forest in the world. Okay, I'm worn out. Let's turn back. No. I usually park in a place that I can walk right into the Bosque. But I like to do new things. New places, check out that school a little bit. Path ends here. Come on, we gotta find a way. Oh, it's just a big tree in the way. Ah, giant branch fell over. Now, it looks like I walked way too far north to find a way over the canal. But that's okay, it gave me a chance to look at that nice little park there. Oh, hopefully up here. Here's a track field up here. A lot of mud. Shoot. I have no idea where I'm going. We may have to swim across the canal. Oh, God. Mud, mud. Okay, I am thoroughly lost, but that's okay. That's what you get when you don't plan. But then again, what's the adventure in that? Beautiful trees. Gonna get the serious steps in today. I usually do on weekends. It's a pretty nice trail right here anyways. Let's keep going till we can't go any farther, which I think I see a wall up here we're gonna hit. Nice little alcove right here. Walk into the woods. Ah, nice. Well, at least we're back down to the canal. But I still don't see a way over it. Oh well. What did I get myself into here? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm going to follow this trail for a little bit. That looks like steps going down here. Just to that area right there. instead of a Bosque walk, this has been more of a canal walk down by the Bosque. I found a little hidden sidewalk. The nice retaining wall. How nice. Hear those birds and the water facility humming away. This curves around this way over to the residential gate there. Wow. It sure has been different. Oh, I'm not going down there. Definitely fall in. Oh. Through the bush. This is interesting. Pretty nice steps, but they just go right to the edge of the canal. And you actually step in it right there at the bottom. Whew, my face is getting nice and pink. It's cold air. Have you ever heard the expression, fake it until you make it? Now, I've always thought that was kind of loopy. I never really believed in that because I thought you were just kind of lying to yourself. But lately, I've been kind of adapting that to my life. I tend to get very anxious, and it bothers my stomach and headaches and what have you from and I've talked about it before, my anxiety. But lately I've been trying to just kind of force myself to relax and say, it's okay. It's all right. Just make the best decisions you can and just play it day by day. And it seems to help. Now, it goes away quickly because your mind's always kind of trying to lie to you, tell you you can't do it, or it's time to tense up and get all worried. But you have to just say, no, I'm not going to worry about it. I don't deserve to have my stomach all cramped up and messed up. I don't deserve headaches from worries. If I did something, I'll try to correct it. If it's out of my hands, I got to let it go. And so it does come back to that fake it until you make it. Just make yourself, just smile, relax your stomach and all your muscles and say, I'm happy. It's all right. I'm so happy to be alive. I'm out here, like right now. I'm kind of ticked off that I can't get over and walk into the Bosque. We're going to do it eventually. Maybe a shorter time than I thought, because I've spent most of this video looking for a way over the canal, but we've seen some nice, pretty views. But it's all right. We saw some nice, interesting things and a new trail. So it's always good. It's all good. Well, it looks like I've come to the end. Can you believe it? I think I found a way over right there. But you'd have to hop the fence, and I don't think I want to do that. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Check out that shot. Gorgeous. All right, heading back to whence I came, if I can find my way. Whew. Protected habitat, no trespassing. Wow. Okay. Gonna head back down west on this prohibited road. Isn't that just gorgeous? That butterscotch color against that blue sky. A little green grass and a nice view. Good place to stop and have a little water. Or a lot of water. Woo! All right, we are almost back to the school. Beautiful soccer field. Very nice. This must have been lightning. Maybe lightning hit that sucker. Okay. Back where I started. I didn't even see this plaque on the way up. It says everybody needs beauty as well as bread. Places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and cheer and give strength to the body and soul alike. John Muir. We all need it, definitely. We all need it to heal the broken. Well, that was a nice little journey there. I'm actually going to go back to the car and find a place to walk through the Bosque just for a little bit, just to say we did it today. Haha, I got you, canal. Haha. If there's a will, there's a way. Gorgeous shot right there too, I think. Beautiful. Okay, we made it deep into the Bosque. I knew it would be muddy. That's all right. I'm wearing my mud shoes. Okay. We are going to find a quick trail and just kind of mosey on through the forest, the largest cottonwood forest in the world. And it's hard to see this time of year, the trails. We'll find a place and just kind of mosey around for a little bit and enjoy the walk. Gonna have to do some four-wheeling here. Two-wheeling. And away we go. There's a coyote right there. See him? Kind of a small guy. Is this one of these careful what you wish for type things? I am slipping on every step. I am just sliding. Plus there's a coyote. Luckily he was more scared of me than I thought I wasn't. What? 2 inches of mud on my shoes. Oh well. I was somewhere one time, trying to remember. Oh, I think it was a cemetery, actually. Yeah, it was a cemetery, big old cemetery. And I'm walking north, and all of a sudden I see about three or four coyotes right there in the cemetery, and they were good sized ones. That one was a small one, like a medium-sized dog. So I turned around quickly and got out of there, especially when they noticed me. Coyotes are very interesting. Actually, kind of a beautiful animal, but they can be very vicious. They can. Some people have tried to make pets out of them, but they're a wild dog, and they can be very, very dangerous. They will attack people. My sister had a pack of them across the street where she likes to walk all the time, and she said there was at least 7 or 9. I mean, it was. Now that's scary. Hey, we made it to the river. How beautiful. Other than the muddy color. I heard some ducks and geese, but of course by the time you get here, they're all gone. Well, this trail's going to be tough to take. It's like a whole bunch of downed branches. See if we can walk around them. Wow, that's a huge branch right there. Really strange that it's all just on this trail here and not on the other side. Watch out for the coyote. Oh yeah, you are. Oh yeah. I've never seen this much graffiti down here, ever. A little bit, but not that much. Oh, this log is a little wet. Didn't look wet. Oh, what a morning. Ooh, did a lot of walking. A lot more than what I filmed. But that's all right, other than kind of my leg kind of flared up again. Be all right. Little ice and Tylenol, fix it right up in a few months. But It's been a beautiful morning. It's been warm. It's been cold. Just beautiful leaves. Some are green, some are dead. Some are just golden. Just beautiful. I got to come back before they're all gone. I just love it. There's always more new trails. The trail we took at first was brand new. More of a just kind of a walking trail by the canal, but I love it. Thank you so much for coming along. That's going to do it for today. And always more to explore. Got more planned throughout the month, actually. So it's going to be a good month. Please stick with me. I really care about you. I appreciate you. Bye for now. Where's my cane?